Hello beautiful peeps of YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kat and you're watching Planning Calm. And here in this channel, I love to share with you all the many ways I can help you plan your way to calm and plan a calmer life. Now in this video, I thought it would be important to share this type of video because I can't be the only one out there who is just struggling to keep things together. Comment down below if you are feeling that right now. If I was to take a camera and scan my house, you would see dishes in the sink, clothes piled up, laundry piled up on the couches, papers all over the floor, just a whole disarray. Just because I have been so busy, I haven't had time to do life. I haven't had a chance to get my life together. And so I find that back planning is really helpful in just really organizing my planner, getting myself back on track, and getting myself refocused, and essentially planning my way to calm and having a calmer life. So I thought I would do a very transparent, realistic video with you. I mean, so much of the planner world right now is all about the frills and the beauty and the aesthetics of planning. But on this channel here, where we're just trying to plan our way to calm, it's about the real. It's about keeping it real. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be back planning in my planner. Now the planner that I have is a 2024 Common Planner from Sterling Ink, and I can't say enough good things about this planner. This is one of my all-time favorite planners to plan in for everyday planning, I should say. And it's served me really well so far this year. I have several videos. I'll link a playlist below just discussing how I have set it up and how it has benefited me and all that good stuff. And so I'm gonna start off with my weekly thing. I wanna back plan my weekly pages here. So the last time I actually touched this planner was May 5th. And so I pre-planned back in May, we're talking about it over a month ago now, my weeks here. And yeah, I haven't touched the planner since. So we're going to catch up on my weeklies. Have my other planners here. So these are like my on-the-go jot planners that I have all my information that I've been keeping up to date every day in. So I'm going to be using this for reference, so I can reference things. So I have it off to the side. I also have my notebook planner, which is also another jot-worthy planner. So I'm going to be referencing those, and we're just gonna jive, folks. We're gonna plan and jive and have a good time. So again, I'm wondering, how are you folks doing? I hope you're doing well. I ask that all the time, and you folks are probably tired of it, to be honest with you. But I'm genuinely concerned with how you're doing. I know there's so many people out there who are struggling with life right now, and they just don't feel they have the space to honestly express how they're feeling, that they're not doing well, that they're struggling with things or what have you. And I think we need to create more spaces and places where people can feel free to express themselves, to say what's on their mind, to say how they're doing, to say how they're feeling, and to be and feel supported by that. And so I always will provide that space and place for you on this platform to do that, because I think it's important. I really do. So in here, I just put a little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, perfect. I just put a little sticker here from my Planner Kate thing. I just have a bunch of stickers left over from last year that I'm using up because I love them. And I'm going to just drop some stickers here. I'm not going sticker crazy here. I'm just using the stickers to denote some important dates of things that are happening. So I always put my class here when I have my class, and my date nights here, and some of my husband's important things, which I will put here. So yeah, there's that, and I'm just gonna fill her in. Have just put down a couple things. So this is my meal plan, and I really like the sticker for that. This is really great. And I gotta put a cleaning thing here because Fridays have now become my cleaning day. So I'm gonna put that there, clean. There we go. And my husband has a basketball tournament that weekend, and we're gonna put that there. And I'm also gonna put a sticker because it's recycle day. Alrighty, so again, I have not much going on these weeks because I've been so busy. It's just basically work, school, and like things like meal planning and stuff. So this is what the most of my spreads are gonna look like. I still have a couple more of these, so I'm going to fill these out on camera, or off camera rather, and then come back and show you what they look like afterwards. My completed things that I've done. I mean, it's nothing pretty, folks. It's just bottom basic planning in a catch-up format. And this is how I back plan. So this is how I back plan. So I've added in these stickers here, and these stickers I got from Planner Kate, and I just use it to do my meal planning. I find that when I meal plan, I tend to eat healthier, or we tend to eat healthier, and it just gives me an opportunity to figure out my shopping schedule, like how I'm going to shop for the day. So that's perfect. And so I planned that out, my classes, recycling, because I always forget unless I write it down, date nights, when my husband has his tournaments, and my cleaning. That's all I did for this week, and that is okay. Next week, we are at May 13th to the 19th. Again, I have my meal plan sticker. Again, I have my class, and it's a payday this week, so I have a couple things I want to keep in mind. Sometimes I remember to put down my YouTube stuff. Sometimes I don't. Again, that's okay. But other tidbits that I got up to the week, I put there. Because I'm busy, I don't have time to do the extra stickers and washi. And again, I give myself grace, and that's okay. I love the visuals of stickers and what they provide, but I don't always have time to do it, and that's okay. That's okay, and it's okay for you too. Next week, we are at May 20th to the 26th, and I back planned here. I had my meal plan. Now, I tried to make double the batch of things so that we would have leftovers for the next day, so I wasn't cooking every day, because nobody got time for that during this time. But because this day, Victoria Day, was a holiday, I had the time to do that, and that was okay. That was actually worked out perfect. The next day was my brother's birthday, my bestie's birthday. I had class that day. There was recycling, and yeah, it was a good day. Again, date night, and I just decided to rest this weekend. I really made a note of not doing anything, staying off social media, not working at all, not marking, and just resting and being present in my life and with my friends and family, and that is okay. Next up, this is the week of May 27th to June 2nd, and this is the final week I've had to back plan because we're starting a new week coming up. And again, I just focused on the essentials. So meal prepping, which is important to me right now, any days off, important events, and my class garbage schedule, a chance to recharge. My husband was out of town this weekend, and it just gave me a chance to recharge. And the mortgage was due, church, and I did some marking over the course of this weekend rather, and that was okay. And so that is how I back planned, and it's okay. It's okay to back plan. I think so. For me, like, the most important thing is that I'm getting the use out of the planner. Sometimes we get so busy, we forget to plan, and we have a lot of empty spaces and empty pages. And to me, that just really, it just feels like a waste of money. I want to get my money's worth with the planners that I am investing in. And so to me, it's important to make sure that I plan and use a planner to plan, even if I have to go back and back plan. Again, I'm using this as a reference point to make just to give me something to look at years from now and what I was doing, what I was getting up to. That was my computer, sorry. And it's okay. I love it. I love it. And so, like I said, I don't have time to get to my journal pages today for back planning. that's okay. I'll get to it soon. I have a schedule. I did pre-plan this page here just so I knew when the new month and ends and starts. And yeah, that's it. And that's all I have time for to share today. So thank you so much for watching. I always enjoy you popping by and just planning with me and hearing the rumble and bumble and the chatter. I love it. If you do love this type of video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more planning content to come. So thank you so much for watching, my friends. And until the next video, take care, be well, be blessed. And I'll see you all in the next planner video. Bye-bye, planner peeps.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.